Have you ever modeled a 3D in Revit? Then you wanted to print it, but you discovered that the roof doesn't have pattern. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create pattern in your roof. At the end of this video, you will learn to achieve patterns like this or patterns similar to this. Without wasting your time, let's get into it. You are going to select it, and to be able to select it by face, you need to turn on this tool, select element by face. It has to be turned on. Then select the roof, go to edit type. Okay, first of all, you are going to click edit, and there seems to be no button here, but when you click on these places, the button will appear. That is when you can change the material of the roof or whatever. If you are used to Revit, that is where we normally change the material. At this point, select the roofing material, then go to under graphics. You will see the foreground pattern. You see there is none. On this pattern, you are going to select a pattern. If you scroll through, you see that there is no interesting pattern here. But if you change it to model, you will see that there is an interesting pattern. Okay, let's go through it. We don't have interesting pattern in this project. So if you don't have any interesting pattern in your project, you can load from an existing project. You can load pattern from existing project. So I'm going to open another project. This project doesn't have interesting pattern, so let me open another project. Okay, this is another project, so I'm going to check whether this project has interesting pattern. Okay, this project has interesting pattern. You see, this is roof pattern that I normally use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit and edit. I'm going to rename this roof material because I don't want to replace it in the other project. So let's give it a name, roof pattern. Roof pattern. You can give it any name you like and click edit. Then go to the material setting, and here you can duplicate it. Roofing tile. Let's give it another name so that when we take it to the other project, we can easily work on it. Now let's click OK. You can see the pattern here. Click OK. Click OK again. Click OK. And what we'll do now is simply select this roof, copy to clipboard. Then you are going to go to your other project. You can close hidden windows. Okay, this is the other project. So you can paste that roof you copy here. Then let's click OK. Just paste it somewhere here and check this. Then you are going to select this roof now. The moment you paste this one here, the pattern would be available. Let's click edit. You can even match property if you want to, but let's click edit and see. so that you see that as I copy that file into this project now, that particular pattern will be here. It will not be in the draft, it will not be in drafting, but it will be in model. Let's go through model now. You can see it's there now, so we can now select it, and this is going to be the color. You can select any color of your choice. You want to change it to blue, and change it to blue if you want to, and click apply, click OK, and here you go, click OK, click OK, and this is it. Now we have a roof pattern that is more interesting. Okay, so we can delete this one now, don't need this one again. Okay, it's showing at the site level. You zoom closely now, you see that the roof is more interesting now. Okay, so that is how you can apply roof pattern in your Revit models. There is a video up here that shows you step by step how you can gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass. In that video, I also show you how you can gain access to my custom Revit families. It shows you how you can install your Revit software successfully. So ensure you watch that video and you will learn how you can gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass. See you in that video. Bye.